Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best Canon cameras, chosen to meet every kind of need. Whether you're a seasoned professional, an aspiring content creator, or someone who loves capturing memories, Canon has a camera designed for you. Renowned for their exceptional image quality, reliable performance, and innovative features, Canon cameras are a favorite among photographers and videographers alike. In this video, we'll explore the top models that excel in various scenarios. Whether you're looking for high resolution, rapid autofocus, portability, or advanced video capabilities, we've got the perfect Canon camera for you. Stick around as we guide you through these standout choices and help you find the ideal camera to take your creative work to the next level. For more such contents, subscribe to our channel now and press the bell icon for regular updates. If you want to know more about the products or their latest pricing, links to all the products mentioned in this video are given in the description box below. Let's get started. At number 5, we have Canon G7X Mark III Best Compact Vlogging. The Canon G7X Mark III is an outstanding compact camera, perfect for content creators and photography enthusiasts. Its 20.1 megapixel 1-inch sensor delivers sharp, vibrant images, while the fast f1.8 to 2.8 lens offers excellent low-light performance. The 4K video capability without a crop, along with the microphone input, makes it an ideal choice for vloggers and filmmakers. The camera's improved autofocus is quick and accurate, ensuring that you never miss a shot. The flip-up touchscreen is intuitive and perfect for selfies and vlogging. Additionally, the live streaming feature is a game-changer for creators looking to engage with their audience in real time. The compact size and lightweight design make it easy to carry without sacrificing quality. Overall, the Canon G7X Mark III combines portability with powerful features, making it a versatile and reliable tool for both photography and video production. At number 4, we have Canon EOS R7 Best for Hobbyists. The Canon EOS R7 is a stellar addition to Canon's mirrorless lineup, offering a perfect blend of speed, precision, and image quality. Its 32.5 megapixel APS-C sensor produces highly detailed and vibrant images, making it ideal for wildlife, sports, and action photography. The dual-pixel CMOS AF2 is remarkably fast and accurate, ensuring sharp focus even in challenging conditions. With a burst rate of up to 30 FPS, capturing fast-moving subjects is effortless. The in-body image stabilization, IBIS, adds another layer of versatility, allowing for sharp handheld shots in low light. The camera's ergonomic design, paired with its robust build, makes it comfortable to use, even during extended shoots. Video capabilities are equally impressive, with 4K 60p recording and advanced autofocus features tailored for videographers. The Canon EOS R7 is a powerhouse that combines cutting-edge technology with user-friendly features, making it a top choice for both photographers and videographers. At number 3, we have Canon EOS R3 Best Premium. The Canon EOS R3 is a groundbreaking mirrorless camera that truly stands out in the professional photography market. Combining speed, precision, and innovative technology, it's an exceptional tool for sports, wildlife, and action photographers. The 24.1 megapixel full-frame sensor delivers stunning image quality with rich detail and vibrant colors, even in challenging lighting conditions. Its advanced dual-pixel CMOS AF2 system is incredibly fast, with 1,053 autofocus points that cover almost the entire frame, ensuring you never miss a moment. One of the most remarkable features is the Eye Control AF, which allows you to select focus points simply by looking at them through the viewfinder, a game-changer for dynamic shooting situations. The EOS R3's ability to shoot at 30 FPS with the electronic shutter, combined with the robust in-body image stabilization, makes capturing high-speed action effortless and razor-sharp. For videographers, the R3 offers 6K RAW video recording and 4K at up to 120p, providing exceptional flexibility and quality for professional video production. The camera's rugged build, weather sealing, and comfortable grip make it reliable for use in demanding environments. Overall, the Canon EOS R3 is a powerhouse that redefines what's possible in both photography and videography. At number 2, we have Canon EOS R10 Best Budget. The Canon EOS R10 is a fantastic entry-level mirrorless camera that packs a punch with its impressive features and performance. With a 24.2 megapixel APS-C sensor, the EOS R10 delivers sharp, vibrant images, making it an excellent choice for photographers looking to upgrade from a smartphone or point-and-shoot camera. The dual-pixel CMOS AF2 system is incredibly fast and accurate, providing 651 autofocus points that make focusing on subjects a breeze, even in challenging conditions. The camera's continuous shooting speed of up to 23 FPS with the electronic shutter is impressive for its class, allowing you to capture fast-moving subjects with ease. For video enthusiasts, the EOS R10 offers 4K 60p recording, providing smooth and detailed footage that's perfect for creating high-quality content. The inclusion of a fully articulating touchscreen makes it easy to shoot from various angles, making vlogging and self-portraits more convenient. Compact and lightweight, the EOS R10 is ideal for travel and everyday use without sacrificing performance. The camera's intuitive controls and user-friendly interface make it accessible to beginners, while its advanced features appeal to more experienced photographers. Overall, the Canon EOS R10 is a versatile and powerful camera that offers great value in the mirrorless market. Finally, at number 1, we have Canon EOS R5 Best Overall. The Canon EOS R5 is a groundbreaking mirrorless camera that sets a new standard in the industry, blending cutting-edge technology with outstanding performance. With its 45-megapixel full-frame sensor, the EOS R5 delivers incredibly detailed and vibrant images, making it ideal for professional photographers in any genre, from portraiture to landscape. The camera's dual-pixel CMOS AF2 system is remarkably fast and accurate, offering 1,053 autofocus points that cover almost the entire frame, ensuring you never miss a shot. One of the standout features is its ability to shoot 8K RAW video, a first for Canon's mirrorless line, providing filmmakers with unprecedented resolution and quality. The EOS R5 also excels in 4K video, offering up to 120p for smooth slow-motion footage, making it a versatile tool for both photographers and videographers. The in-body image stabilization works in harmony with Canon's RF lenses, delivering up to 8 stops of stabilization, perfect for handheld shooting in low light. The camera's robust build quality, weather sealing, and ergonomic design ensure it can withstand the rigors of professional use. Overall, the Canon EOS R5 is a powerhouse that redefines what's possible in a mirrorless camera, offering unmatched image quality and versatility. That's it for today, folks. If you find the video helpful, please like and share the video and subscribe to our channel for more such content. Thanks for watching.